Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Toyota Sienna maintenance light reset. We're gonna be looking at that screen right there, and we're gonna be using, this button over here. And go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and make sure that you see instead of ODO, make sure it's on trip A. So go ahead and press this button to find trip A, just like that. Now turn off, as you can see, maintenance required. Go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button and turn your car back on. Give me a second here. Press and hold, turn your car back on, and you should see the blinker running just like that. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.